Welcome back, guys, to Southside Boy Style. I'm here with a very quick upfront video, okay? This is a 2014 Ford Escape, and right now I'm in the process of installing a new wiper blade. I've noticed on YouTube a lot of people have a lot of issues and can't figure out how to install the wiper blades. I'm going to show you real quick, starting right now. First of all, you have to specify when you're buying a wiper blade that you do have a Ford Escape and tell them what year it is. I'm not sure what years this works for, but I will put it up on the screen right now. So there you see, that's the years. That's the years of the Ford Escapes this works on. Now, another thing you have to notice is this typical arm is not the J style, which is the hook on the end that kind of warps around. I'll put that up on the screen right now. Okay, so you have to keep in mind it's not the J style arm. So you have very carefully have to specify when you purchase your wiper that you need it for the non-J style arm and as the little tab hook on the end of it. And this is the piece, it's going to come with your new wiper blades, okay? This is the piece that you require. Look at this one very carefully so you can take a look in your kit and see if you have this piece. If you don't have this piece, then it's probably not going to work. I'm actually holding it the right way up now. Okay, so take a good look at this piece. Now on this piece you'll notice there's two of these little tabs here. Two little tabs. One is right there, one is right there. You see that squish in? You see it's like a little hook on both sides. So you hold it this way. This is the tab up way, so this is the way you're going to put this on the arm, okay? Just like this. All right, that's the way it's going to go on the arm. You take it, you slide it in like this, and you make sure you see how the hook is sticking outside of this little in-groove portion. You make sure that that's there, and take a look at the other side and make sure that it's in the other side as well, okay? Now, the next, sorry guys, the next thing you want to do, so you have it there, you look at the other side, make sure it's there. If it's not there, it has to be there, so you have to make sure that both sides are in. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky, but it will go there. And I have both sides in right now. So you see how this hook is in? It's the same on the other side, okay? Now, all you do with this, guys, is you see this tab on the top. Let me see if I can't bring you around. So you see this tab on the top right here. I'm just going to very gently move the camera. I want you to watch what happens when I press up. You see that and you hear that click? It's in. It's not coming out of that. It can't. You're hooked on the bottom right here and you're clicked on the top right here. So right now that's installed. The next thing you do, guys, is you take your wiper blade and now you have to hook your wiper blade in. So you're holding your wiper blade. Now that you have your clip installed, you take your wiper blade, your new wiper blade right here, you look at it, you put it in this position so that this little dial, this little cylinder, the clip cylinder is facing towards the passenger side. You hold it like this. You put it up there and you just click them in. And sometimes it's a little bit tactical to get them to clip in, but it will go. There you go. Now guys, you have a fully installed wiper. Just like you have it on your other side. Fully installed wiper. And that's basically it. Okay? Now that you have this installed, you pull off the little slide piece, and this is just a protector for your wiper blade. And that's it, guys. That's all that's to it. Now your wiper blade is back and working. And that's basically it. So anybody wanted to learn how to do their wiper blade, you guys can leave now. Other than that, I'm going to stick around just for a couple minutes longer because my channel's monetized. So for people that watch these videos, I don't have this car in the garage very much. It's the 2014 Ford Escape. And you know, guys, one of the reasons I don't have this car in the garage very much is because it don't really cause any problems. It's a nice car. It works really good. Don't ever have any issues with it. Let's start it up. And yeah, the reason why, guys, is ooh, they got the radio blasting here. Don't really have many issues with this car. It works really well, don't have no troubles. Let's test out those wipers, guys. Let me close the door so we don't drench yourself in windshield wash. And let's test these wipers out. Look at that. Look at that, it's doing what it's supposed to do. That's pretty cool. Most amazing thing I've seen all day. There you go, guys, see? So the wipers. But anyway, guys, back to it. Yeah, this car really, you know, I had it in videos like last year a couple times, but one was to change a park light bulb, which really does well on this channel because a lot of people have a hard time changing the lower park light bulbs. And I'm probably going to do another video on that. But other than that, this car works nice. Never no real issues. So guys, I'm going to end this video right here now. And thanks a lot for watching. And remember, this is how to install wipers on a Ford Escape. And as I said, I'll put the years of the Ford Escape, but this is the same, up for you guys. And let you see all that. And thanks for watching, guys. And I'm telling you, man, this channel is growing every day. Every day this channel is growing, and I don't even know how much to express my appreciation for all of you that view my channel. In the last video I posted it, 450,000 views. That's absolutely amazing, and I'll put it up on the screen there again for you to look at. So I'm gonna let you guys take off now, and I'm gonna do the same, and Southside Boys style. We'll see you on the next one.